Practice set 6.1. Prove that. In the first question, sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta equals to sec theta. It is given. So we have to prove that the right hand side. So for that right hand side, we take the left hand side, sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. Here already given the in the question in the form sin theta and cos theta. So we use the identity first cross multiplication we do, sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta. Therefore 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. It is the interrelation, already we see that. So hence we proved right hand side. Now second question, cos square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. So cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. It is the identity. So we write cos theta into sec theta whole square, and that is 1, because we know that sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta. When we write here sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So hence proved right hand side. Now third question, under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta equals to sec theta minus tan theta. So LHS equals to under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta under root. You know very well, in the fraction when we have to rationalize the denominator, we multiply both the terms of the fraction by the conjugate term of the denominator. So here the 1 plus sin theta is the denominator, so we multiply this 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta, the conjugate term means opposite term. So here we take under root 1 minus sin theta whole square upon 1 square minus sin square theta. So here under root 1 minus sin theta whole square upon cos square theta. This under root and square cancel. So 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. We separate the denominator. We get sec theta minus tan theta. That is the right hand side. So here in the fourth question, sec theta minus cos theta cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta. So LHS equals to sec theta minus cos theta cot theta plus tan theta. We convert this sec theta, cot theta, tan theta in cos and sin. So 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta, cos upon sin, sin upon cos. So we do cross multiplication here, 1 minus cos square theta upon cos square theta plus sin square theta upon sin theta into cos theta. So therefore sin square theta upon cos theta into 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. 1 sin theta is cancelled from this sin square theta. So therefore sin theta upon cos theta into 1 upon cos theta. Therefore tan theta into sec theta. So this is the right hand side. You know very well, sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta and 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. Fifth, sixth problem is homework for you. Now we are going to see that 7th problem of this question. In 7th problem, sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So LHS is sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta. Now see here, sin square theta whole square cos square theta whole square we take. So sin, now a square minus b square. What is the a square minus b square identity? A minus b and a plus b. Here the a equal to sin square theta and b is equal to cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta and sin square theta minus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It is the identity. And sin square theta minus cos square theta we write as it is. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. In place of sin square theta we write that 1 minus cos square theta, because on the right hand side we required only cos square theta, not sin square theta. That's why we convert this sin square theta into cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. So here minus 2 cos square theta. So in this way we prove that right hand side. Now here 8th question, sec theta plus tan theta upon cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So LHS is equal to sec theta plus tan theta 1 upon cos theta sin theta upon cos theta. We convert the sec theta and tan theta into sin into cos. So 1 plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta, that is the denominator is same. but we multiplying both the side by 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. So we will get a plus b and a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 square minus sin square theta, cos theta 1 minus sin theta. Therefore 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. This cos theta and cos square theta is cos square of the cos square theta of square is cancelled. So we get cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So here that is the right hand side. So in this way we do the ninth problem. If tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, then show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. So tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. Squaring both sides, we square that both the side. So we apply the formula a square plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. A is tan theta, b is 1 upon tan theta. When we apply this formula, we will get this term. And tan theta and 1 upon tan theta cancel, and 1 upon tan square theta here. So here we tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta, 4 minus 2, that is 2. So tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. Now in the 11th question,